Is your productivity stopped because localized application module orchestration can't find the Module Manager DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's identify the gap and fix it with an automated solution. Quickly resolve Module Manager inconsistencies with the official optimization software linked below. This is the Module Manager, a generic localized plugin manager. It manages the localized loading and unloading of dynamic localized shims for the host application. It facilitates the localized discovery of localized DLL files within the plugins or modules directory. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. Unlike system-wide DLLs, Module Manager DLL is unique to the localized application module orchestration environment, and reinstalling your specific software, giving the error from its official source, is the only verified method to repair a broken file reference. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Module Manager, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Avoid the trap of free file repositories for Module Manager DLL, as these platforms are frequently used to spread persistent browser hijackers and adware. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. If system alerts or resource lag are present, the resource below outlines maintenance considerations related to Module Manager. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved Module Manager error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.